In this video we are going to teach you how to change the security alarm setting on a 2014 Nissan Sentra using the X431 throttle. First select Nissan. To confirm the software select OK. Select the vehicle with 16 pin. Confirm van and select OK. Select automatic selection, confirm van, model, year and select OK. Select system selection. Select BCM. System info select OK. Select security alarm set. System info select OK. The current setting can be changed on or off. Once completed, select the back button. And that's how you change the security alarm setting on a 2014 Nissan Sentra.